Good morning. A very beautiful morning, dear students. Welcome back, English Bal Bharti, class 5. Today we are going to learn a very interesting part from our English Bal Bharti textbook. That is our last lesson in this year. So, chapter number 33, Rangoli. And you all know the most beautiful and most pleasing art form of India. The word Rangoli or Rangavali consists of two words, Ranga meaning color and Avli means raw or white. Rangoli is the art of making designs or patterns on the walls or the floor of the house using finely ground white powder and different colors. In many households, Rangoli designs are drawn in the courtyard or in front of the doorstep every day. Rangoli, that from the ancient time we draw the Rangoli near our doorstep or in a courtyard to welcome our guests. Rangoli is a very fine art form. That means Rangoli, that is the Rangavali. For example, Ranga, that means colors. Avli means lines that we draw and put some colors into it and make designs from a various pattern on the floor of our house. That is the white powder in Rangoli. It contains a white powder and some colors which adds a very decorative art form at our home. The most interesting feature of Rangoli is that it is drawn afresh every day. Just as you cleanse and adorn yourself every day, you clean your house and decorate it with Rangoli every day. On special occasions, you wear a special clothes and ornaments. In the same way, special magnificent designs are made on that occasion of feast and festivals. Now that is the most important feature of Rangoli. What is that? We draw every day a different Rangoli as we clean ourselves every day, that we take a bath, then we wore the new dresses. With different dresses we wear in daily life, we wear the ornaments, we feel fresh that time as well. We decorate our house also, as in the same way we draw the different Rangoli as the every day in the different form of festivals and functions. There is the special different designs for that particular occasions and festivals. See the next passage. Designs and patterns. In that Rangoli there are particular designs which are drawn that give us some messages to people and to the human being. The traditional form of Rangoli makes use of designs and motifs based on nature, such as mango, creepers, lotus, and other flowers, swans, peacock, fish, and other animals also, and so on. Rangoli designs also include geometrical patterns and shapes. Nowadays, other fancy designs and freehand drawing are also used to make a beautiful rangolis. Now, design and pattern, there is no particular shape and no particular design for the rangoli. That is the traditional form that make a various types of designs We can draw mango, creepers, lotus, flowers, swan, peacock, fish, other animals drawing as well in the rangoli, including the geometrical shapes like as a triangle, rectangle, circle. All that shapes we can use to draw the rangoli. And also nowadays we know that the freehand drawing also used to make a beautiful rangoli, that the sketch of the particular person, famous person, then fancy designs, that all we use for the rangoli designs. See the next one, how it is made. And you all know that how rangoli is made. Usually rangoli lines are made using coarse grained powders such as sand, marbles, dust, sawdust and rice grain powder, as it provides a good grip while making the straight or carving line. It is important to draw unbroken lines of even thickness to maintain the beauty of the design. See, that rangoli which is made from the sand, marble dust and sawdust and rice grain powder, that is the grip. If we pick up or take the rangoli in our hand, that is finely drop up and make a beautiful design from it. The skill to do so come with a lot of practice. The rangoli can then left as a beautiful drawing, or you can fill it bright color powders. It is customary to prepare a special background for rangoli with gheru or wet red archer, so that the white designs stand out very well. Also, usually a grid of rows, columns, dots is used to give a proper frame and shape to the design. It means the rangoli design, that is the very creative art form. Everyone not able to draw the rangoli properly. So, with the lot of practice we can make it easy. The rangoli can left a beautiful drawing, that the color powders. If you want to make it more beautiful and more attractive, then with the white powder you can use the color powder also to get up it brightly. As for it, we can use the archer or the gheru for it. That means we have to color our floor that get up the brightness of rangoli, and it brightly look like a very attractive with the help of the gheru, and its color were more beautiful and get up, give the get up to the particular rangoli. We draw the lines, we draw the columns and use the proper dots and frame the beautiful design from the rangoli. See the next passage. Rangoli and Diwali. Rangoli occupies a special place in the festival of Deepavali or Diwali. Since the art form is an expression of warm hospitality, it is used by almost everyone to decorate the courtyard during the festivals. It signifies that people coming to house are welcome inside. It means we know that how the relation of Rangoli and Diwali. We all know that during the Diwali, we every day we make a various beautiful designs at our doorstep or courtyards. Rangoli occupies a special festival, that Rangoli that indicates the special festival for a Diwali, that expression of our happiness and feelings. Almost we decorate our courtyard, our doorstep with the rangoli to welcome our guests during this festival, that we express our happiness throughout this rangoli and we welcome our guest in that particular festival. See the next one. Rangoli in different state. As we know that every part of India they draw Rangoli. Rangoli art is known by the different name in a different part of the country. It is known as a Chokpurna in Uttar Pradesh, Mandana in Rajasthan, Muggu in Andhra Pradesh, and as Rangoli in Gujarat, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Each region had its special characteristic designs and patterns. In the northern part of India, it is customary to make rangoli designs with the traditional wet colors. See, rangoli, which is known as a different names in the different part of the country, there is the different name for the rangoli. That is the art form which is known in the differently in a different country. For example, Chowk Purna in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, the Rangoli is known as a Chowk Purna. Rajasthan, it is said as a Mandana. And Andhra Pradesh, Rangoli is known as a Muggu. And the Rangoli, it's known in a Gujarat, Karnataka as well in a Maharashtra. In Bengal, Rangoli is known as a Alpanna, whereas in Bihar and Uttaranchal is name of Aripanna. Kolam in the name given art of the Rangoli in the southern part of the country. Mainly in the state of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, kolam designs are made with the help of rice powder. It means with the rice powder they draw their Rangoli. In Bengal, Rangoli known as a Alpanna. In Bihar, whereas in Bihar and Uttaranchal, it is Aripanna. Kolam in the southern part of the India, that country, and Kerala and Tamil Nadu, it's known as a Kolam. It means a different part of the state, it is known as a differently and draw in a different patterns. That is the very beautiful art form which is colorful and make a happy and beautiful life for the people. Rangoli in the modern days. Rangoli art has been used for centuries to beauty many Indian households. Previously, it was used mainly by women. Today, both men and women learn and practice this art, adding their innovative ideas to the traditional designs and motifs. As the time the public celebration, carpets of Rangoli are spread over large areas and even a long distances. Some people use leaves, flowers to make rangolis which are beautiful as well as fragrant. Would you like to try your hand in this beautiful art form? It means rangoli in a modern days. There are a very creative and innovative ideas which is used to draw the particular rangoli. Rangoli is a very beautiful art form. In the ancient time, only women drawn the rangoli in their doorstep. But now both men and women they have learned and practices to draw the rangoli and create a new art form. Innovative ideas, creative ideas they use to for draw the rangoli designs for the public celebration and as well the rangoli spread over the large area, and also it is made of leaves, flowers, that various types of colors they are used, and it is a very beautiful form of the rangoli. Now would you like to draw any rangoli by your hand? Yes, obviously. During the festival we also help our mother to draw the beautiful rangoli at our doorstep. I hope do you understood this lesson, and this was the last lesson of our class 5th. Be happy, do your study always. We will meet in the next year. Thank you.